Okay, good evening. I'm just here to show you a quick bit about the ETI 7000 series moisture meter, which is currently on eBay. So as we can see, we've got the meter itself enclosed in a sort of leatherette type operator's case with the neck strap and a wire split in, so as you can operate the device with it rested against your side. The poppers still work, it's in good condition, no obvious sort of damage to that at all. Inside houses the actual piece of equipment. I'll just pull that a little bit closer. We've got the meter itself, the probe, paperwork to do with the equipment, and in here we've also got about 12 or 13 spare probes that can go onto the probe unit. So looking at the paperwork we've got the 7000 moisture meter operating instructions. On the back we've also got the supplying companies for the original purchasers details there. We've got the wood reference table. What this does is this allows us to work out what scale we should be using for the type of wood we're measuring the moisture in. Let's pop that back in there. Just set the probe unit down to the side. And the actual meter itself. Oh, there we go. Underneath the meter we've got the instrument record card, which shows its last date of calibration, which was 6th of June 2000, which I believe was when it was made. If we look underneath the brand new battery that's provided, we can see the date of manufacture, 6th of June 2000. So a good time to come onto the unit. As I said, that's a brand new and used battery in there. The unit is in, I'd say, immaculate condition. There's no marks on it, there's no tears to the label to indicate that it's been opened. As we can see, the unit's got a scale on it with some green and red guides on. It's a percentage of moisture scale. We've got the wood 1 and wood 2 scale, which we use the enclosed paper guide to work out what we should be measuring off. And we've got a plaster and concrete scale, as well as like a linear scale at the bottom. So we're just going to test this works, and that's I already know it works. I'm going to prove it works. That's why we're in the kitchen. So I'm just going to plug in the probe. Let's BNC plug to this probe port here. Quite a nice conductive piece of equipment, this lovely steak knife. Switch it on. As we can see, the red LED's popped on. Now we're going to just short out the probe essentially. As you can see, the scale's gone right across. We'll do that again. So I'm assuming if you're looking at this you know how they work, but they measure the moisture by putting a current between the two probes. And measuring some feedback off that. So by shorting it out on a conductive object, we're proving that to some degree that they're working. So we'll just do that again. Okay, quite happy with that. Now we're in the kitchen because I'm currently renovating the kitchen, and I've got some bare base plaster in here, so I can poke this into the wall and have a look at the moisture content of my wall. So we'll just use the probe, stick it in. As we can see, the scale has moved over to what is an acceptable level of moisture, which is probably about right given it's fairly wet plaster still. So yeah, and as soon as I take it out, try it in another part. So there we go. Obviously without being able to calibrate it, that's the best I can do, but the component certainly seems to be in good working order. Good luck and many thanks.